The game isn't about taking massive catches and scoring major runs. It's about creating healthy partnerships and relationships. This powerful quote was said by someone none other than Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Now, you all must be wondering, why would someone like Dhoni, who's known for his impressive cricket skills, be talking about something as simple as bonds and partnerships? That's because that's how important that component is in life. Hello, my name is Shania, and today I'm going to be talking about the importance of friendship and how you should choose your friends based on how you look at them, not what others think of them. Let's start with the basics. What is a friend and why are they important? A friend is someone as simple as saying hi to at lunch or seeing every day. We don't think much of it, but truly, that's what shapes how our mind works, how our heart works, and most importantly, how we interact with other people. Let me make this simpler for you. Imagine a circle and a point right in the center. That vertex is you. You are the control center of your life. You make all the decisions and you make all the rules. And you are most important in your life. That circle is your friends and family, the people that surround you, the people that most importantly make you strive for the better and encourage you instead of demotivating you. But the real question is, what's the difference between family and friends? Family is a natural connection, one that God has given to you. Family's duties are to protect you, responsibilities to save you from the world, and to educate you about what the world really is. Friends, on the other hand, are people that you go up to, you choose, you find commons and uncommons between, and you choose them yourself. Something that is your responsibility, not something that God will give to you naturally. People think that friendship is just a defense mechanism for life and making you happy. But really, it motivates us, teaches us lessons that we've never learned from our family. Friends are people that we can turn to and tell secrets to that we can never tell our family. Toxic friends are the worst. Toxic friendships means if a good friend has turned backs on you. We don't think much of it that as well. We just move on from it and learn. But really, it affects us socially, academically, mentally, and even our well-being. Let me give you an example. I once had a friend, a really close friend, one that I could share everything with, didn't need to wear the mask, and could tell all my inside jokes with. Nothing ever came in between us. Not another friend, not a fight, and especially not a petty little mistake. Until that day, one day, where we had a silly little fight. One that we had almost every week. I didn't think much of it until she did. She wasn't the person she was anymore and did things I could never imagine. Instead of learning from it and talking to her, I turned my face down. Silence seemed like the only strength. I stayed in my room for days, reflecting and thinking back on all my life choices, whether what I had done to deserve such a bad thing and what was my mistake. That's when I remembered the first day I met her. It wasn't because how I saw her. I didn't go up to her because I thought she was nice. I saw the people that surrounded her, thought that many people like her, maybe I should also try to talk to her. I thought it would work out very well, and it did for a year, until I realized it was all a mistake. I learned to choose friends based on how I saw them, not the world. The next day, I went to school, rising stronger. I'd got rid of all my fake friends. I felt happy for a change. I went up to new people. I didn't care about how others thought of them as, and I made friendship with them. It made me feel happy. I could be myself around them. And once again, I didn't wear that mask I wore with other people. Friendship is just a roller coaster. When everything seems steady and you don't expect it the most, a huge 360-degree turn comes when you never expected it. The real lesson is to learn from it. And don't stop right there, but continue with your life, taking moral lessons from it. Thus, you don't know how important making bonds and relationships is in life. It shapes how your life is, which is why you should always make friends based on how you see them, not what the world sees them. Thank you.